In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote another message in Slack, 2026, step-by-step beginner tutorial. Quoting in Slack is all about pointing people to the exact message you're referencing, so there's no confusion and everyone can jump right to the source. The most reliable way to do this is by sharing a direct link to the original message. I'll walk you through it from start to finish, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to keep your quote clear and helpful. First, open Slack and head to the direct message or channel that contains the message you want to quote. Make sure you can see the specific message in the conversation history. If the thread is long, you might need to scroll a bit to locate it. Next, hover your mouse over that message. You'll see a small toolbar appear to the right of it. Click the three dots, often labeled More Actions. This opens a menu with several options that apply to that exact message. From that menu, choose Copy Link. Slack will immediately copy a unique permalink to your clipboard. This link is tied to that precise message, so you won't risk misquoting or losing context. It's the cleanest way to let others jump straight to what you're referencing. Now, navigate to the direct message or channel where you want to share the quote. Think about visibility here. If the original message was posted in a private channel, only people who also have access to that channel will be able to view it when they click the link. If you're sharing in a public space, keep privacy and context in mind. In the message field, paste the link. You can paste it on its own or add your commentary around it. A helpful pattern is to type a brief lead-in like, "for reference," or, "as discussed earlier," then paste the link on the next line. If you want multiple lines without sending yet, use Shift+Enter to create a new line. When you send it, Slack typically unfurls a preview so people can see a snippet and click through to the original. That's all it takes. You went to the conversation with the message, opened the More Actions menu, copied the link, moved to your target DM or channel, and pasted it. This method preserves accuracy, gives your teammates a direct path to the source, and keeps your discussion tidy. If you expect follow-up, consider replying in a thread under your shared link to keep related discussion organized. Thanks for watching, and happy quoting in Slack.